What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to talk about doing affiliate marketing in 2019. Now, a lot of people are struggling to start with affiliate marketing simply because they don't know the best way to start. Now, in today's video, I want to give you what, in my opinion, is the best way to start doing affiliate marketing in 2019. Now, before I get into the video, we're going to hop over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what other people are doing, what I'm doing as well, and it's working. It's 100% effective. But before I do that, I want to give you some advice. There's going to be a lot of videos out there, a lot of articles, a lot of courses, a lot of everything, a lot of information out there for you to consume, and you'll start to take action. The biggest problem with these videos and these courses and the articles and these how-tos is that you buy them, you consume the information, whatever it is, you do all that, but then you never take action. One thing I want to stress is if you're going to spend the time to watch this video right here, you're going to spend the time to read a 10,000 word article or how-to guide, you're going to spend $500 on an affiliate marketing course, whatever it is, okay? Or even if you buy mine, okay? Even if you buy my affiliate marketing on YouTube course, okay? It's only $67, but still, if you're going to invest the $67 into something, or you're going to invest your time, you might as well take action, all right? So if there's one thing you do after this video, it better be take action. So let's get going. All right, guys, so what I want to show you is a very simple strategy to make money with affiliate marketing. Today, we're going to be using YouTube. Now, the reason why I'm going to show you YouTube is because YouTube is one of the best platforms, in my opinion, to have consistent content and easily upload stuff. 2, it always is changing, which means that sometimes the big channels are getting all the views, sometimes the little guys are getting all the views. And so it really helps out us little guys, okay? Because especially when you're starting out, you're brand new, you have maybe no subscribers, no views, no videos. You need that, all right? So let me show you the strategy. So first off, what I'm going to be showing you, 2 different sites. Both of them are affiliate marketing sites. This one right here is called Amazon Associates. You can earn up to 10% commissions on any products you refer somebody to, okay? And so the reason why I want to show you this is because this is a very simple technique. Anybody can do it, even if you're a beginner, have no clue what you're doing, okay? Let me show you this. This right here is a product. It's a Refrigerator Pure Source Plus ice and water filtration system, okay? That's what this is. So if I was looking for the best ice and water filter, okay, I could type that in right here, best ice and water filter, okay? I can type that in right here. And these videos, okay, look at this one, okay? This guy isn't even on camera. Has text, has a picture, that's it. Done a year ago, 615 views. This one right here, how to choose a water filter. These people are actually on camera. This old house, done 2 years ago, almost 500,000 views. How to install universal inline refrigerator water filter. A year ago, 91,000 views. So if somebody wanted to learn how to install one, they probably need one as well, right? Well, that's where this guy comes in, okay? So if I'm looking right here, let me just see if somebody has an Amazon link, and then we'll click on their video if they do. This one right here, top 5 best refrigerator water filters of 2018. I'm going to open that up because I can see there's an Amazon link right here. Okay, so here we go. So here's the video. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Don't care to watch it. You can see, he has just images. That's it. Nothing more. Okay, very simple. Just a bunch of images, text. He's probably doing some talking over the top. But if you look here, look at that Amazon link, Amazon link, Amazon link, Amazon link, Amazon link. Anytime somebody clicks on one of these, they get sent to Amazon, and potentially this guy could make some money from your purchase. This is the easiest way to do it, okay? Because it's not just that, okay? Best iPhone XS Max case on Amazon. Well, if we type that in, okay? Look at this. This guy only has 2,000 views, or 2,000 subscribers. He has 1,000 views done a month ago, okay? And he's talking about the top cases, under $20. Great. This one right here, Look, Amazon link right there. Another one right there. Best iPhone X cases under $20 from Amazon. Okay, done a year ago, 28,000 views. He has 45,000. Okay, this one right here, top 10 iPhone XS and XS Max cases. 7 months ago, 78,000 views. This person has 75,000 subscribers. Okay, and I have no clue where this one's going, but what if it goes to Amazon? Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's so simple. Okay, why I love my Apple Watch series or Apple 4 Watch. Here we go. Why I love it. Okay, this person has 739,000 subscribers, 1.3 million views 6 months ago. This person, why I grudgingly love my Apple Watch. Okay, 3,000 subscribers, 14,000 views done a year ago. Okay, it doesn't have to. It's not rocket science. It's very simple. The process is extremely simple. Let me find another one that has very low subscribers right here. What's on my Apple Watch Series 4? Stephanie Ruth, 364 subscribers, 1,800 views 3 months ago. Okay. Why I love my Apple Watch and 3,000 views, less than 1,000 subscribers done a year ago. This is what I'm talking about, guys. It's so simple. Let me show you another site, because all this is done with Amazon affiliates. Okay. Let me show you another one. There's a site out there. It's called muncheye.com. You can see it right here. Okay. And so the nice thing about this is it tells me when are the next big launches and when are all launches coming up. Okay. So let's say I want to do, let's say Fred Lamb. Okay. Adrix right here. Okay. Let's say this is the one I want to promote. Okay. So what I would do is I'd come over to YouTube and I'd create a video and I'd do Adtrix review. So the way I do it, I'd open this up and all I'm going to do is really talk about the sales page. That's all I'm doing. Okay. So there's the JV page. Okay. Turning newbies into high performance media buyer to generate $100,000 with just 4 sales. Okay. $1,200 per lead, $60,000 in prizes, $2 cost per action payout. Okay. Bonuses. You get the idea. Okay. You can see the different launches. Here we go. The vendor. See the JV page. We can click on that. You can come see it right here. Okay. And so you can, that's the wrong one. Okay. So let's go back there. Let's see if we click on ClickBank. Let's see this one right here. Taking us to the same page. Anyway, let's go pull up a different one. Okay, maybe that wasn't the best one. Let's do one of these, the all launches. Let's try this one right here. Hold on. So let's say we're gonna do this one. Okay, the Funnel 360. Let's say this is the one we want right here. Okay, so Funnel 360. All we gotta do is go over here and watch this. Funnel 360 review. Okay, and so that's all we're doing. We're just going to do a review. So if we go and visit the actual sales page, so I'm going to open that up right here. Here's the offer. Let's go to, we pause that really quick. Let's actually go in. Let's see what, bunch of bonuses. Okay, you got it. Okay, no thanks. I don't want the bonuses. Okay, let's just go look. So here we go. So this is the actual sales page right here. Okay, create lightning fast funnels, web pages, viral videos, and jaw-dropping graphics just in a few minutes. Okay, you got different packages. Okay, awesome. You can talk about it. See the different stuff, and all you're gonna do right here inside where you type Funnel 360 review is you're just going to go and review it. Okay, you're going to go and review the sales page. Why you think this would be a good idea? Who's it meant for? Is there a money back guarantee? Let's see, there probably is one somewhere. Step 1, select your sales funnel. Step 2, make the ultra fast page in minutes. Step 3, publish your funnel live in 1 click. Okay, you get the idea. Create, you talk about. So that's all we're doing, okay? And we can do this exact same thing with anything, with any of the launches right here. Okay, let's say we want to do one on Connect Automate or Clipio, Animaze, okay, Extreme Pour, okay, CDA bots. It doesn't matter what it is. You can do this on just about anything, right? So that's all we're doing, okay? Let me find one more really quick, just kind of give you an idea. Let's do Animaze review. Okay, Animaze review. Maybe that's not the best one. Let's do this one right here. X virality or virally. Put that in. X virally. See if that one comes up. That one doesn't come up. Okay, some of these are probably just gonna be new things. Then we can do, offline wizard. Okay. I think you get the idea, but it really doesn't matter what it is. Whether you're promoting this, you're promoting products on Amazon, or you're going to do pretty much, it's called launch jacking, where you pretty much, whenever somebody's about to launch something, you're going to go in and you're going to create reviews, you're going to create bonuses, you're going to create all this stuff around it. And as soon as this goes live, you go and publish your link. That's all you're doing. Or you send an email to your email list and let them know it's live. Funnel 360 is here. Make sure you get today. Use the link below. Get all my bonuses. Okay, that's how simple this process actually is. All right, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully you got some information. You took something away from this video. Hopefully you're gonna take action. Okay, like I said, whether you spend the time and you invested into watching this video, or you invested money into a course, or you spent time reading a how-to guide, or whatever it is. Okay, it doesn't matter what the investment was, whether it was time or money. If you spent anything, okay, time or money wise, into affiliate marketing, take action, because I guarantee you the people that are taking action right now are the ones that are succeeding. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.